Guys, for today's video, siguro this is the first time na nakatanggap ako ng collaboration request or partnership coming from an online lending app. Nakaka-receive naman ako ng mga collaboration request. Usually mga app, yung mga pangsugal na app yung mga ganyan. So, yun, automatic, syempre, hindi ko pinapansin. Kasi, anong sense na tatanggap ako ng galong collaboration pero nag-advocate ako ng proper money management, diba? Okay, so, anyway, to cut the long story short, nag-reach out nga sila sa akin and then, dinecline ko sila. Yan. So, bakit ko sila dinecline? Alam niyo na kung bakit. Pero, let's review kung ano yung ino-offer nila and what are the customer reviews about their service or app. Yan. So, i-check natin si Easy Peso. Ayan. So, samahan niyo ako pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience, ginawa ko na yung videos and playlist na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. So guys, papakita ko sa inyo, may nag-reach out sa akin. Naka-blur na lang yung pangalan niya para just to protect their identity rin naman. So ito yung sabi niya, blank, I am the head of partnership and business development of Easy Peso. And I'd like to have a meeting with you on a potential partnership. Let me know when you're free. Thanks. Kindly send best number so I can reach you Viber, WhatsApp. So, nag-follow up siya. Hindi ko siya pinapansin and then nag-follow up siya. Are you available for a quick discussion? Sabi ko, thank you for sending your interest for a possible collaboration. However, it is my regret to let you know that I do not do brand collaboration between online lending, casino, and gambling. It is the exact opposite of my niche where I advocate correct money management. Thank you. And then sabi naman niya, hi Pat, we respect and appreciate your advocacy. We wish you more success in the path you have chosen. I am still open to having a meeting with you to share some insights on our product that might help in line with your goals in promoting correct money management. Feel free to reach out if you have any question or concern. Okay. So, baka naman talaga? Maganda naman talaga to. Ngayon ko lang kasi din narinig to. Pero, yun nga, tingnan natin kung maayos ba siya, di ba? At least, hindi niya na kailangan magbayad sa akin for any brand collaboration if maganda ang service nito. Okay. So, punta tayo sa website ni Easy Peso. Type natin siya. Ito to. Na-type ko na pala. So far, ang ganda ng website. May makikita ko malinis ang pagkakagawa. Ayan, so meron silang mga customer testimony yan at Emilio32 yung mga amounts na borrow nila. Okay. So dito, hi kay Easy Peso, welcome to use our service. Max credit amount is up to 30,000 pesos and then minimum is 500. Interest is as low as 0.06% per day and up to 180 days. And if we calculate that 0.06 per day times 365 days, it would give us only around 21.9% per annum na interest rate. Okay, we are always here when you need financial support. Diversified terms option, meron daw siyang 30 days, may 60 days, and may 90 days. Flexible credit option, and yung amount daw is up to 30,000, and then low interest rate nga daw, which is 0.06 per day. Okay, so ito yung kung paano mag-apply, pero hindi na natin ito di-discuss because hindi nga tayo nag-advocate ng mga online lending apps na sa tingin natin medyo mataas ang interest rate. So, hindi pa naman natin alam kung mataas ang interest rate niya kasi wala pa tayong feedback ng mga customer. Okay. So, they are under Creditable Lending Corporation daw. And if we search Creditable Lending Corporation, SEC, click natin si SEC, letter C kasi creditable, and then search natin creditable. Ayan. So si Creditable Lending Corporation ay registered kay SEC since 2018 of August. Okay. So far so good. And then they are in Taguig kasi we are adhering to Taguig City School and Regulation. Okay. So since may facial recognition sila, I guess meron tong app. So, check natin kay Google Play Store, search natin Easy Peso. Mukhang wala. So, punta tayo kay App Store, Easy Peso. Yan. So, si Easy Peso ay nandito sa App Store. Ayan, under nga siya kay Creditable Lending Corporation. So, ganun din, ito up to 30,000. Only one ID ang kailangan para makapag-loan ka ng up to 30,000. And then, fast approval and no collateral or guarantee required. Safe and legit daw. And then, ayan, easy repayment. Okay, so far, si Easy Peso ay meron 3.4 star out of 5. And medyo konti lang ang rating nila dito sa App Store. Ang nag-rate lang dito ay nasa 256 lang yung ratings nila. Kung babalik tayo kay Easy Peso, sabihin natin 1,000 yung hihiramin natin. Ayan, 1,000. Click natin apply now. Ano yung lalabas? Ayun. Ito pala, meron pala siya sa Google Play Store. So, dito sa Google Play Store, meron siyang 4 out of 5 star with 8,300 reviews. Okay. So, ito yung about this app niya. Check natin. So, sabi niya dito, meron siyang 10,000 na loan with 6% interest per month up to 180 days or 6 months. So 10,000 times 0.72, 7,200 ang interest rate niya for 1 year. Divide natin siya by 365 days, 19 pesos and 72 cents or 73 cents per day ang interest rate. Ang interest niya, multiply natin to with the tenure, which is 6 months or 180 days times 180 days. Ayan, 3,550. Pero sa kanila, 3,600. Pero dito sa akin, dahil 180 days, 3,550. And then, may service fee din siya na 7% din. Pero ang hindi ko alam, bakit naka per annum din ang service fee niya. So, meron daw siyang service fee na 7%, 7% times 12, 84. So, 84% naman ang service fee niya. So, 10,000 times 0.84%, that's 8,400. Actually, divided by 2 na lang dahil 180 plus 180 is 360 days. 360 days lang pala siya, hindi 365. Okay, so 84, yan, divided by 360 days times 180 days, yan, 42. So, meron ka ng interest and then meron ka pang service fee. 42 plus 36, 78 ang service fee and interest. So, babayaran mo ay total of 70,800. Okay. At least ito, kahit papano, pinapakita niya yung calculation niya na medyo mataas. Hindi siya nagsisinungaling. Okay. With the 6% interest rate naman, siguro may compare ko to with G-Loan, G-Credit, Maya Credit. So, kalinyahan niya yung 6% per month or nasa around 72. Si Atome ay nasa around 72% din. So, yung 17,800, i-divide mo lang daw sa 6, which is 2,966.67. So far, so good. Okay. So, ito, merong customer review, nagbigay siya ng amount. And then, we'll calculate yung interest rate na na-charge sa kanya. So, sabi niya dito, from Felix Bagotsay, not a good app, very exorbitant charges. I tried it and the loanable amount granted to me is 4,700. But I only received 3,038.20 pesos. And the shocking part of it, I did not confirm my loan application, but they still sent me 3,038.20. So that's sad to hear na hindi naman siya talaga nag-loan or umokay. So hindi natin alam kung ano nangyari doon, pero let's take it from Felix. I returned it right away and immediately uninstalled app and rated them 1 star. Besides, their repayment term is too short for only 7 days. So, sabi, 4,700. And then, ang natanggap niya lang ay minus 3,038.20. Basically, 1,661.8. I-divide natin yan sa 4,700. Yan, nasa around 35% yung nakaltas. And then, ito, sabi niya, 7 days lang. So, divide natin yan by 7. 0.0505. I-multiply natin to by 365 days, it would give us around 1,843% or 44% ang interest rate niya per annum. So, I guess, based dito sa feedback ng customer, malayo siya with their advertised interest rate. However, guys, again, they can always get away from the interest rate calculation or what. Pwede lang sabihin na they follow it because they are going to use service charges naman. Sasabihin na, 0% lang yan. interest rate, and then ito yung service charge. Katulad nung na-review natin si Peso Mall. So, more or less ganito rin siya. And yun nga, sabi niya 7 days, pero dun sa website and app, sabi 180 days. So, let's check na yung mga reviews. Sabi niya, this app is a scam. I filed for a loan but did not proceed because of the high interest, but they still sent me the money without my agreement. Okay, ito. Kay John De La Peña, negative rating, reported the collection agency and the collection agent for threatening violence to harm the borrower's reputation as well as for giving false representation. The customer retention of this lending app is decreasing extensively not because of the high interest but because of the collection practice. Ito mga latest lang to eh. I tried to cancel my loan to this app but still goes through. Now, I delay 1 day and now they are harassing me and send inappropriate message. Puro 1 star yung latest. This is a scam and chart loan. Tingnan natin kung may positive review naman. March 20 lang din. My first time to try to make an emergency loan for medical use of 5K, only payable in 2 months only if possible. If not, how much will... Okay, so I think yung comment niya is hindi applicable. So hindi natin alam kung na-approve siya or what. I guess nag-rate siya prior na ma-approve siya. Ito rin, I really appreciate this app if you need money instantly. I recommend this. So sabi niya, yun yung niya. Very good app, easy to navigate. Sige, bigyan natin sa kanila yan. Baka naman talaga. I know this Lian app helped me a lot, but can you please extend your days of payment? So nakatulong naman talaga sa kanila. Parang dinigest na lang nila yung yung mga charges, I guess, kasi they are in need. Yan, may 5-star naman din. So kung gagamitin natin yung calculation na ginawa natin kanina na nasa around 1,843.44%. So, kasabayan nga to ni Dad's Peso, V Peso, yan. So, doon nalilinya itong Easy Peso na online lending app. With regards to their claims, I guess, yung 7 days napaka-ikli versus dun sa in-advertise nila. And malaki talaga yung deduction dun sa amount na marireceive mo. So, clearly, sasabihin nga nila to na service charge para ma-circumvent yung high interest. But kayo na mag-decide based on the information na nakita natin and reviews from the customer. Guys, make sure that you do your due diligence if you want to borrow money from a certain online lending app. Make sure na pag-aralan nyo mabuti kasi hindi maganda yung tatanggapin nyo na lang talaga dahil nagigipit kayo. So for our question of the day, katulad nung nangyari sa akin, syempre, yung partnership na in-offer sa akin is additional income sa akin. Pero para sa akin, hindi ko siya in-accept because parang I would be breaking my prinsipyo about high interest loans na hindi ko talaga nire-recommend. So, for our question of the day, at what point na kaya nyong i-break ang prinsipyo nyo? O mabibreak ba ang prinsipyo nyo kapag na-offeran na kayo ng malaking amount na pera? If so, how much? Gaano kalaki? Let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. And syempre, huwag niyong kalimutang maglagay ng hashtag road to 100k sub and mag-like and subscribe dito sa aking channel for your chance na manalo ng cellphone sa ating monthly cellphone giveaway until we reach the 100k subscriber milestone. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at Lou J. Gallo. Pa-shoutout next episode, Sir Pat. Salamat po. Hashtag road to 100k sub. More power. God bless you. At Lou J. Gallo, shoutout po sa inyo and maraming salamat sa panonood at pagsuporta sa aking mga videos at sa aking channel. Maraming salamat po. I hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up and if not, wala nang problema dyan. But continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para ma-receive ka ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!